Hello, I'm Lois Churchill. I'm a nurse educator at ATI, and I would like to share with you a tip about how to prepare for the NCLEX exam. My first thing is don't procrastinate. It's so easy to procrastinate after you've been in school and you've stayed up late studying for tests, and you're just so relieved to be graduated and have that little piece of paper in your hand that says you're a graduate from a nursing program. But now more than ever, you need to study and prepare for the test. So my recommendation is that every day set aside a time to study and make sure that time is sacred. Don't let anybody talk you into getting sidetracked. Don't let your children, your family, you need it. That is your time, and you need to stick to that time and use that time to study. Another thing I would say is look at what was helpful for you when you were a nursing student. If you are good at studying groups and you have some colleagues or friends that you study well with, set some time aside and work with them. But if you think back and you realize, you know, we always got off track, or somebody distracted us, or this wasn't a good study group for me, don't get sucked into that. You know, this is you, this is your test, and you need to think all about yourself and do what's best for your preparation for the test. Couple things to think about. Generally, when you answer a test question, you're given 1 minute to answer that question. Now, some of the test questions you get, you can read in less than a minute and answer, and some of them are going to take a little longer. So don't get frightened if you're reading a chart review and it takes a long time to read that chart review, because you're going to gain time when you read a dosage calc question that's really easy, something like that. But try to think that each test question you will get a minute to answer, and try to build up your speed so that you're meeting that time frame requirement. Another thing I think some people might overlook is National Council has a wonderful website. Go to National Council, read through all that exam candidate information, use their tutorial, do everything you can to know about the test before you get there. And I hope that helps you pass. Good luck. If you have any questions, contact ATI on Facebook.